Hey everybody, I was sponsored by the brand. Let me tell you about this bedside table. One thing that I love about it is just its modern design. It looks so good and it's very convenient. You can see I have all of my cords very neatly there, plus I have room for a lamp and a cup. You can see the top here, this wide table and the elegant design of it. You can see that there's that blue light there. I'll tell you about the LEDs that are built in. But first off, look at these AC ports right here. You've got two of them, plus a USB and a USB-C. You've got this nice engineered wood and that nice ample space right there for you to hold your stuff. It does come with these three drawers and they are embellished with this nice golden handle that you see here, and there is ample space in the drawers. Here I'm storing my phone and my watch. Here below I'm storing my computer, and then the bottom can be used for anything else that you'd like. Like I said, they're pretty large. And then this tabletop here has a lot of space. Now, this little plug right here that you see plugged in actually controls the lights, as well as there's an app if you'd prefer to do that. You can see how well that light is shining in the nighttime, and you can see the different color options that I'm choosing. So it's very convenient that it has that feature. And then in the pitch dark, you can see just how well these lights shine and show off their brilliance and color. And so it's definitely a great feature for people that love to have that type of a vibe. Now, the installation was relatively simple. It did take me about an hour and a half, so be aware of that. And I did use my own electric drill, but there was no strange odors involved with it, and the material seemed to be made of high quality stuff. The instructions were pretty simple and easy to follow. I did make one mistake, but it was really more me not paying attention to the instructions, but everything came together just fine. So if you're looking for a side table of your own, I definitely recommend this one from the brand.